After our meeting, we had a bit of free time to explore Shanghai, and what my friend recommended was to check out Wukang Road. The first thing we saw was this famous spot, super popular for photos. So many people with posing for photos, tripods out, people standing in the road trying to get that perfect shot. We kept wandering down Wukang Road and ended up visiting a few stalls. Popped in to answer. Google says it's the powerhouse of Chinese sports fashion, like coming in third after Adidas and Nike. Speaking of Adidas, we did stumble across it here. It was so fashionable, like they even had a whole pet section dedicated to like cats and dogs clothing items. Didn't realize how dark it got, but we did come across this entire building dedicated to a bear brand called Ia de Marzo. I don't even know how to explain it. There were bears on everything: hats, shoes, jeans, shirts, bags, you name it. Upstairs, located in the same building, we also walked through Anfu Market, which had so many little local brands and pop-ups. We were mostly just window shopping. This wasn't a leisure trip, and I didn't have anything I wanted to buy. The main reason we were in Shanghai was to finalize our business deal. Anyways, enough blabbing. Please enjoy this mini montage of us exploring through Wukang Road. Highly recommend it to those who are visiting Shanghai to come here. It's got a very cute atmosphere and a European vibe to it. I did stumble across a really nice hand cream store that had Asian scents, so I picked up some of that as a souvenir, and then we headed home and had a mukbang delivery feast. After being out the whole day, our friend Angelina surprised us by ordering heaps of Chinese delivery to our hotel.
Oh, it's hot.
Thank you very much, Sam.
Okay, bye-bye.
We had a literal feast, and the best part about it was that it was delivered by a robot. Honestly, you can only get this in China, but this was such a funny experience. Enjoy this mukbang.
I'm gonna eat our food now. Oh, it smells good. So
Around $60.
this is 60 what?
How much?
60 AED for everything.
Yeah, don't worry.
That's so
60?
good.
I thought you said 61. God.
We can't eat this one, Angelina.
I'm enjoying this.
Oh, prawn.
Mmm.
Mmm. Oh, this is good.
It's so juicy.
Yeah.
This is so heavy. How am I gonna eat 5 more dishes?
Why do you always say
What
that?
the
A robot's here.
Beep boop.
Why does Roger have this on? Where's the hotel?
Huh?
Where's the hotel shoes?
Hotel shoes? We don't have any. Where is it?
I think this is tea.
Oh.
Oh, I've seen this logo. I mean, I've seen this lady before.
It's #1 milk tea in China. I
Oh.
always get.
Okay.
I'll ask you later.
Try this famous Chinese milk tea. Everything comes in a canvas bag. Package the stuff so nicely. Oh my god.
Holy crap, look how creamy that looks, man.
Jasmine milk tea. Mmm. 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 Yum. So refreshing. Yum.
Oh, very nice. It's like
I love jasmine milk tea.
the tea is strong and there's like a bit like light sugar-ish. I think I want a bit shorter. This is a bit too
Yeah, I
thin.
told you.
Holy crap, man.
Quickly.
It's so thin.
I want to eat all of it.
Yeah, let's eat it all. I'm not hungry.
I'm eating it all.
I'm so hungry. I'm gonna eat it all.
There's two on them.
Oh, too bad. That's your fault.
I want to eat it. It's gonna get to waste if I don't eat
Yeah,
it.
it's the
It won't taste good.
The dough is gonna get
Yeah.
like saggy and all.
Mmm. Mmm.
I had 3 days in a row.
Mm-hmm.
Mmm.
Yeah.
Mmm.
It's so good.
So good.
Yeah, no wonder you have takeaway every day. It's good.
I only get like 20 deliveries. And I get to China.
20?
Yeah, it's like all over the hotel room.
What the? Wait, how much does delivery cost anyways?
You said 40 cents.
40 cents!
Yeah.
So cheap.
That is really cheap.
Yeah.
Yeah, because each delivery is like 40 cents.
Oh, is it?
So the
Yeah.
more deliveries they do, the more money they make.
Oh.
So imagine you doing it slow, you'd be earning, you know, like less than other people that's doing it really fast.
Oh, yeah, that's true.
Yeah.
At least you're supporting a lot of delivery places. You supported 20.
Yeah, I still feel hungry after that. I don't feel full.
Yeah, I feel hungry
Actually.
still.
They need more robots.
Yeah, they need more. I hope they ordered all 3 of our food.
Beep boop.
Hello, Mr. Robot.
Oh my god.
Oh, yeah.
Good job.
Here's the big one.
Oh my god, it's heavy. What the f did you order?
Yeah, what is that? Is that hot pot or some
It's so heavy. Can you press the button? I can't press the button.
Made in China.
Look how cute the packaging is. Very cute
Yeah.
packaging.
Yeah. Oh, skewer. Oh my god, look at this. What is that? This is a
That's
bone?
this chicken neck. There's bone in the middle, so you have to eat by the side.
Mmm. Oh. Oh, the flavor's nice. We'll eat this one. What is this? This freaking big. Why is there so
That's
much
the
food? Angelina! This is like a whole banquet of food. Especially this one. Oh my god,
What is this?
what is
What is this? Oh my god, I can't finish this. I can't finish this.
Oh, fried rice! Oh my god.
What the?
Angelina,
I don't
that's
think
so
I
much
could finish.
food.
You know how big this thing is? You know how heavy this thing is? It's a UFO. Please tell me this is everything. This is everything, right?
Yes, and
Okay,
one more
okay.
tea left.
Is this the mystery one?
Yeah.
What
It's
is
so
it?
heavy.
I don't know if you had it before.
Is this crab?
Oh
Lobster?
my god.
Oh my
What
god.
the hell? How do I eat all of this?
There's so much food.
It's not that much after you eat it. Because I can eat that myself.
What?
I'll order myself.
What the?
My god. Oh!
Oh!
What is this? Oh,
What's
these
this
are like
called?
little crabs. No, what do you call these? We saw this at Aldi.
Something.
Crayfish.
Yeah,
Crayfish.
Yeah. Wait, how do you eat them?
How do you eat it?
So first you need to get the head out.
Oh my god.
And the claws off. And then I think they gave you gloves.
Well, this is my first time eating crayfish
Yeah,
too.
same.
I've never eaten crayfish before. Yes, I
It's
think.
really good.
Thank
Mm.
you.
Grab the whole thing. Just like grab the whole head and you just get off.
Ah, wait.
Oh, it's so hot.
I just got a little bit. So like,
A little
not that
bit. This is a little bit. This is so much.
Wait, so you get the claws off?
much. You have to like take the claws like from the body off. Where like, the body you just rip it off.
Eat this part?
You can if you want.
That's a waste. Oh, there you go. Oh, there you go. Ah, here you go. I got it.
Oh.
Yeah, and it dip in the sauce like the like the soup.
Nice.
Very garlicky.
Mm.
You can suck it.
Yeah, that's how we eat it. You got it right. Suck the claws.
Wait, I think
like,
this is the one from Mr. Bean.
It's a bean.
Yeah, he ate it in the movie, I remember.
Yeah, I think, yeah. This is it.
I don't know.
The famous seafood.
Fried chicken burger?
Oh, it looks
Yeah.
nice.
Wow.
Show the
Looks very
camera.
nice.
It might be.
Damn, that looks nice.
Whoa.
Mmm. That looks nice.
Mmm.
I'm craving for the burger forever.
Chicken is very soft and sweet. I think the bread is sweet as well. Cabbage, lettuce, I think some mayonnaise.
That burger, once I ate that like 7 days in a row.
What?
7 days in a row.
Angelina, that's not good for you.
What do you mean? It's nice.
This is nice though. Mmm.
I wanna try it. I wanna try it.
Oh my god, I feel so full.
Mmm.
I really like the texture of the bun.
Mmm. Mmm. It's so sweet.
I want to be there. I'm eating.
Noodles. Oh, there's noodles in here. I've got like 30 more to go. These are the noodles. Oh shit. Those are covered in oil. I'm gonna have so many pimples from this.
I already have so many pimples.
Holy sh**. So much flavors.
The ice is all melted.
I think. Because it's downstairs for 20 minutes and the weather's hot, right?
Mmm. Holy. Oh. Oh. So much flavor.
That's what I said. There's so much flavor.
NANI?!
Oh. I'll take a sip.
Careful, don't spill it.
Yeah.
Maybe we
Oh, that's so good. That's umami right there. I could drink that all.
can.
Just one more sip.
I feel like we go downstairs, bring Angelina with us so that she can talk. I think someone stole milk tea.
Someone stole our milk tea.
It's been like how long since the milk tea?
20 minutes.
Yeah, exactly. You want to go downstairs to check?
Can you go?
Because I don't know what to say. I can't just say like they won't understand me. You want to go together?
No, I'm not bothered.
But I'll cut off in the elevator.
Yeah, that's true. I
I'm
guess
so
I'll check.
sleepy now. I'm in a food coma. Angelina, it's too much food. Oh my
What do
god,
you
my
mean?
video is 30 minutes long. Alright, I need to end it. Good morning, everyone. It's 4 a.m. Rise and shine. We had a beautiful 3 hours sleep. Because we were too busy eating 20 crayfish last night. I know my face is puffy, but it feels puffy. My eyes feel really puffy. They're barely awake. We're in front of Shanghai Hongqiao Railway Station, and we are very early, but not as early as our friends. It's either we stand or we're sitting down on a pole. My ass hurts. I think I'll take sitting down on this. We're heading off to see our factory today, our manufacturer's factory, and Roger's gonna do his homework on the train. I'll help him if I don't fall asleep. I'll help him, and then I'll sleep. Got the sun coming out. It's getting much more lively. Update. 4:45. 15 minutes till it opens. I just found out that it opens at 5 a.m. and came here like
3. So we wasted an hour of sleep.
I'm severely tired. Tomorrow we're having a spa day though, so it's fine. My face is so puffy.
Yeah. Thanks, Angelina.
We made it inside. Process was very simple.
No, this is the first step.
Okay, this is the first step. Line up, walk inside, and then give them the passport to the people standing at the reception, at the table.
I feel like they're kind of like security as well.
Yeah, there's security.
They look like security.
Yeah, but basically we just gave them our passport and they just did an ID check. And then they let us through their own door because I think
the other
other
gates are for locals.
Yeah.
That has like the
ID
Chinese
card.
passports.
Yeah.
We don't have one, so we
Yeah.
just give it to the people to manually check us in.
And then after you have to check your gate number, which is up there. You guys can see that really big blue screen.
Yeah, then you check the screen for
Yep.
your gate.
Our
number.
one is 8A and 9A, which we're currently in front of, and I don't think it's open yet because people sitting outside of it.
Going
And
off the gate, you just
line up at
line
the
up.
carriage.
Yeah, you line up at your carriage number.
Yeah, you have to line up at the carriage number, which I have on my phone. I booked everything on trip.com. It's pretty simple. Like, everything's in English, so it's good. Not too bad. I'm just really tired right now. My eyes are burning.
We have made it to our train. How did you find the process? The process? Oh yeah. Where was I? Oh yeah, we made it inside the station. After that, we waited about until 5:40. The train departs at 6 a.m. and we waited at 5 there. We got in just before 5. I can't think right now. Why are you mad at me?
You're like, you say, when you say the processes, it's so not smooth and very funky.
Can you understand that I have 3 hours sleep right now?
Me too.
I don't care.
I wake up before the alarm as well.
I don't care.
Because basically,
No.
when you enter the station,
It's so mean to me.
you have to wait. Waited from 5 a.m. inside the station till 5:40 a.m. And then from there, when you get to the platform.
Hi.
Oh, hey, Frank. Hey, Frank.
And right in front of us.
Yeah, and then that was a manufacturer.
We just saw him. He's sitting right in front of us, so that's good. We can get off at the same time. Good job. Alright, let's have some breakfast. It's going faster, I can feel it. I think it's 237 kilometers an hour. Got my barley tea. It tastes like watermelon. It's really nice and refreshing. Sandwiches. Yeah. Remember how to open it? Gotta do step 1, step 2. Oh no, why is it spilling everywhere?
Filling is so tiny. That's the word. Not good.
Not good.
Tiny little tuna.
Onigiri is disappointing. I give it a 2 out of 10. +1 for the packaging, +2 for the experience, -8 for everything else.
There's like three breads, layers. Pork floss, cucumber, egg.
Pork
So I think mayo.
cucumber, egg, mayo. It's kind of healthy. I like it. Pork floss is really sweet.
In the middle, stitching to the bottom. Okay, good. I think there's a turn on that.
But I think this will be a great.
It is, yeah. I do believe that as well. But it's so confusing. This part is like, because there's nothing else to compare it with, and so we have to think how to make it work.
Market, we don't see the structure.
Yeah. I tried searching
Yeah,
the other
yes.
Yeah.
So I told you that's a good idea.
This is all unhui food. Wow. Oh, is this orange?
Delicious.
Yeah, what is it?
Anhui food is more delicious than Shanghai food.
Really? You
Yeah.
think so?
Yes.
I like it.
I can't tell.
It's
Because
very-
they're all delicious.
Hope you enjoyed today's behind the scenes in our business journey. Next, we slow it all down for a spa day. See you there.